Hello! Today's recipe is pan-fried fish steak topped with ginger and lemongrass shreds and yummy sauce. Fresh ginger root and lemongrass shreds are first fried till brown and fragrant with oil. This aromatic oil is then used for pan-frying the fish and then lastly cooking the sauce. All the natural flavors and goodness are retained. Simply scrumptious. Here's the list of ingredients. Spanish mackerel steak is used in this recipe. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and is an excellent source of many minerals and vitamins. Here is how fresh mackerel fish steaks should look like. Slightly pinkish meat with fresh red blood clots around the bone. First, rub some salt on both sides of the fish sticks and set aside for at least 15 minutes. Place in the fridge if you are preparing this way ahead of time. Next, cut the hard bulk off the bottom of the lemongrass and discard the outer tough layers of the stalk. Cut into 3 pieces of about 2 to 3 cm from the bottom. Discard the remaining. Place into a mortar and pestle to pound till the pieces open up to reveal thin threads. Use fingers to tear the threads apart. Alternatively, you can use the back of the knife to pound, but please be careful. Peel and mince garlic. Peel and shred ginger at the longer side, as finely as you can. Remove the seeds in the chili and cut into shreds. Cut the spring onion into sections of 5 to 6 cm and then shred thinly as well. Place the shreds into a bowl of ice water. Let it soak for 15 minutes. Wow! The shreds have cut up nicely. Pour some oil into a wok or an iron-clad skillet pan. Non-stick pan works too. Add in ginger when the oil is hot and let it fry. Stir to fry the ginger evenly. It is ready when the ginger shreds become fragrant and looks like thin brown threads. Remove and add in the lemongrass. Likewise, fry till fragrant and brown. Remove and set aside with ginger. Place the fish sticks into the pan with the remaining oil. Pan fry it in medium heat and let the fish fry 2 to 3 minutes before turning over. I suggest frequent flipping so that the fish sticks are not overcooked or burnt on one side. Remove from pan when you have a nice brown surface. I took about 10 minutes for both sides to have this result. Arrange the fried ginger and lemongrass on top of the fish sticks, followed by the spring onions and chili shreds. Set aside. Using the remaining oil, let's make the sauce. Add in the garlic and fry till fragrant. Add in water. Add in dark and light soya sauce. Sprinkle some pepper and add a pinch of sugar. Stir and it is ready. Pour the sauce over the fish sticks. Smells heavenly. Serve the fish and sauce with rice. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.